رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to start our lecture number 9, which is from topic 1.6 Mass Measuring Instruments. And before we're going to start our lecture, I would like to share a quotation with you. Let your smile change the world, but don't let the world change your smile. So now let's begin our lecture. In ancient time, people uses pots to measure grain in various parts of the world. However, balances were also used by the Greeks and Romans, such as beam balance as shown in the figure, and this beam balance is still in use at many places. In beam balance, the unknown mass is placed in its one pan, and in other pan known masses are placed to balance it. Today, people use many types of mechanical and electronic balances, and you might have seen electronic balances in sweet and grocery shops. These are more precise than beam balances and are easy to handle. Now, one by one, we will discuss the three different types of balances which are in use. First type of mass measuring instrument is physical balance. A physical balance is used in the laboratory to measure the mass of the various objects by comparison. It consists of a beam resting at the center of the fulcrum as shown in the figure. The beam carries scale pans over the hooks on either side. Unknown mass is placed on the left pan, and some suitable standard masses are placed in the right pan, which cause the pointer to remain at 0 on rising the beam. This is known as lever balance. A lever balance consists of a system of levers. When lever is lifted, placing the object in one pan and the standard masses on the other pan, the pointer of the lever system moves. The pointer is brought to 0 by varying standard masses, and when it is balanced, the mass of an unknown object will be equals to the mass of the known object which is placed in the another pan. The third and the most accurate type of the balance is electronic balance. It comes in various ranges such as milligram ranges, gram ranges, and kilogram ranges. It is quite simple to use. Before measuring the mass of a body, it is switched on and its reading is set to 0. Then we place the object whose mass has to be measured. The reading on the balance gives you the mass of the body placed over it. Compare the least count of the three types of the balances. First of all, the least count in gram for the beam balance is 0.1 gram. For physical balance, it is 0.01 gram, and for electronic balance, it is 0.001 gram. So, by looking at the least count, we can say that the electronic balance is the most precise one because it measures the mass up till the accuracy of the 0.001 gram, or in terms of milligram, the least count of the beam balance is 100 milligram. For physical balance it is 10 milligram, and for electronic balance it is 1 milligram. So as a result, the measurement would be more precise than a sensitive physical balance. Electronic balance is the most sensitive balance in these three mentioned types of balances. Now, dear students, there are some questions for your homework. Kindly note down and do this homework in your physics file. Question number 1 is, what is the function of balancing screws in a physical balance? Question number 2, on what band we place the object and why? Number 3rd type is, which type of balance is more precise to measure the mass of an object? That's all for today. Any kind of queries, you can write your question in the comment section below. See you tomorrow with the new lecture. Till then, take good care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.